How you doing, everybody? Today I was looking around the shop and I noticed I have a little bit of a dilemma. I have a lot of portable tools, circular saws, hand saws in general, but I don't have anything for my shop. Table saw, band saw, a thickness planer, anything like that. Mainly because it's just too small. So I needed a versatile tool that could do multiple things and hopefully stay out of the way for the most part. That's kind of what led me to a radial arm saw. So hopefully this will be able to swing out of the way when I don't need it. And the best part is I'm going to build it into my workbench. It does have a guard, I promise. Just remember, if you're working with a saw with an exposed blade like this, just take the saw blade off. A blade can still hurt you even if it's not spinning. I ran into a couple little hiccups trying to get that thing in there. It's really tight. The bar that actually helps the machine go up and down, that had to come out. I'll be able to put it in after because it's underneath of the table. The little bracket that held that bar in, that had to come out because of the width of this screw head. Like, not even 3/16. It was real tight. I'm hoping it fits in this time. Whew. I'm not even gonna have to put any screws inside of that. Okay, I've done a little bit of work off camera and I figured out I have a little dilemma. So right now, this thing loves to, like, if you unlock the front of it, push it all the way over, it can go all the way up against the wall. That's what I want. But I want it to be in the other direction. But the thing is, push down, lock it, swing, and it will only swing to 60 degrees right there. I don't like that. And I want to see if I can make it work correctly. So I did a little investigating. So I pulled off this little thing and I figured out that it has a stopper right here. Okay, now let's see if that fixed our problem. Moment of truth. See? It's so much more out of the way now. I'm just gonna use this piece of kind of milled poplar. It's the straightest and prettiest thing I got, so it should give me a pretty good surface for a fence, for at least for the time being. I'm gonna put the blade on real quick, throw the guard on, make one shallow cut right across the face of the sacrificial board, and then I'll use that as my reference line to make this 90 degrees from that. That does it. This is a little video like a micro shop, so I try to take care of my space as best as possible. If you have any suggestions for my next video, which is highly appreciated, I would love to hear what you guys think. I'll see you guys next time.